Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Lifestyle Gardener. I moved to Prince Edward Island in December 2020, 2021, and I like it here. I used to live in Ontario before. The reason why I moved here was to start a new journey with my husband. I like to garden and do many other things also. I don't know that much about Prince Edward Island, but I'm interested in learning more about Prince Edward Island. I learned a few things since I've been here about gardening in Prince Edward Island is that it rains a lot, and I am in zone 6A. When I was in Ontario, I was in zone 6, zone 5. When I started gardening here, I noticed that the different containers that I have here reacts different to the way it rains here. As you can see, well, I'll try to make you see it. Just 1 minute. As you can see right here, I have some of my plants in grow bags, and I also have them in containers. Because it rains so much here. If you're gonna grow plants in containers, it's best that you make a lot of holes in the containers. Otherwise, I find it's best to grow the plants in grow bags. The only bad thing I notice about the grow bags is that because it rains so much, it pushed down the soil. So something like this would happen. Even though I fill up the soil all the way to the top, after a while it keeps going down. As I continue my journey here, I would like to show you my journey. Thank you, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.